So you need to fix your Soul.mds, okay? Stromatic here. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at how to actually write a proper Soul.md. I'm going to be showing you guys this in Hermes Agent, but this goes also for every single, LLM or bot service that you use to write SOUL.mds, or you have to write SOUL.mds for. In this instance, I'm going to be using Hermes Agent. I'm going to show you guys the profile in the bottom left right here. So here we got installer, right? So when I press right click right here and then press edit Soul.md, you're going to see the actual Soul.md for installer. So usually, you're going to put like, hey, you help me assist with this and you install something on my computer and install and help me out. And usually it'll be like a few sentences, and that's the best that, I don't know, personally, that's what I was always doing. But in this case scenario, you can see I actually have the Soul.md here, and it's a lot more thorough and a lot more in depth. So you can see the mission, messaging other agents. So it helps with that. We also have different scripts in here. When the user writes agent name, agent this, agent that. So this actually, sometimes it will add skills to it. In this case scenario, if you are using Hermes Agent, it'll add skills to the actual Soul.md. So that's most likely what that is. But regardless, so then here we got core identity, core knowledge and philosophy, methodology and workflow, right? So all these different layouts that, when you are writing a Soul.md, you're not thinking of every single check mark in the box, right? So in my opinion, the best way to write a Soul.md, right? So rather than going, hey, you are a professional, it's all right, I'm doing that and just hoping for the best, you can go a lot more thorough. And in my case scenario that I've found has always worked the best for me and just really, is concise, has a good amount of reach and good amount of data online, is Google Gemini. Okay, so Gemini is free for most people. Most likely you'd already have a subscription for Gemini. It's not too expensive, and includes Drive and all of that, right? So I usually use Flash. You can use Thinking, you can use Pro. You can really go as far as you want. I usually use Flash. There's nothing really too crazy that you have to do, right? So let's create a new profile, right? And just name this text researcher, okay? And clone from a different actual clone, but the Soul.md. So this is optional, right? You can leave it blank, and Hermes will just put in like, hey, you're a Hermes agent, you're going to help out with this, right? But in this case scenario, I'm actually going to be putting an actual custom one. So for this, all you have to do is write this. In this case scenario, I'm going to put, I need a Soul.md for my Hermes agent, okay? And then you kind of have to describe what you want it to be, right? So let's say in this circumstance, I said, I want it to be something that researches and it looks into certain, books, stuff like that. So I want it to be able to research links I provide it and, go thorough through everything, ensure compatibility and I don't know, something like that, right? So the more context that you give it, and honestly, I would suggest that you would just turn on your microphone and just kind of talk to Gemini and like brain dump everything you need. So like, hey, I want someone that's going to be like a librarian that's really going to help me out and take track of, what I want and certain scenarios, and I can always come back to it and check in from there, right? So I'm just going to put that. I need a Soul.md for my Hermes agents that knows that's for Hermes. But it's going to say like, oh, save this directly, whatever. Yeah, in reality, you're just going to copy and paste it, right? So here you go. Identity, you're Hermes, you're autonomous, right? So this case scenario, I said Hermes. Usually I just do Soul.md. You can always add Hermes so that it knows its own identity in this case scenario. But, core mission, so deep link research, ingest, parse, communication style, and all this, right? So we're just going to hit copy right here in the top right, and then go to your actual Soul.md and paste that in. So you can see how much more proper this is, like how much bigger everything, but actually how thorough and in depth it goes, right? So let's just scroll somewhere down. Communication style, direct, lead with actionable findings, skip conversational intro, fluff, unnecessary restatements of the user's prompts. So there's stuff that, obviously maybe if you're writing like a whole entire essay on what your Soul.md wants to be, that's a different story. But usually you're not really thinking of stuff like this, like skipping the fluff, unnecessary restatements. So this also saves tokens. You can use this to save tokens, style to avoid. You can see generic bullet points derived solely from page. And you can also do this for, let's say, coding, for example. So let's say you're on a very strict budget, right? So let's just do strict. Let's say you're on a strict budget. You're using DeepSeek, the cheapest model. I think it's Flash 017, something like that. Let's say you want a super cheap one. So then you can say, I want to use DeepSeek Flash, right? For my Hermes agent, but it always does help. More context, right? So I want to use DeepSeek Flash for my Hermes agent. I need it to be as cost effective as possible, but really good at coding, right? So let's say, but amazing at coding, and it ensures there's no errors and is proper. I don't know, but you can really put whatever you want. Like I said, I think the best case scenario is just using your microphone and just brain dumping everything out that you actually wanted to do. And in this case scenario, I forgot to put SOUL.md. So I want to use DeepSeek for my Hermes agent, right? So then you put write me SOUL.md. Always make sure you're putting SOUL.md, otherwise it's going to show you something like that. It's not going to actually write SOUL.md, right? So you can see configuration file properly here. And again, like I said before, you don't have to put Hermes. It always tells more context, but you're Hermes, zero cost leakage software auditor and elite engineer. So yeah, and then we can paste that in. And you can see here, execution workflow, so read links, and then let's go up here, efficiency, so DeepSeek specific, token reduction, single pass resolution, precise code diffs. So like I said, an identity, right? But in reality, this is very, very helpful if you do want something that's cost effective. If you want to make your SOUL.md, a researcher, if you want to make it so that's an expert in certain category or program or anything, right? Like let's say you wanted it to be like a perfect expert for, Microsoft Word that helps you with any errors or any messages that you get from Microsoft Word. You can always add that to your SOUL.md. And I would recommend that for each profile, rather than just, going in and skipping the SOUL.md, each profile that you make, you add the SOUL.md. So rather than having just, one profile, like one Hermes agent, the main one right here in home, like the default agent, rather than just, keeping everything on that, I would say for each use case scenario, like obviously you don't need 100 different sub agents, or agents in that scenario, but, yeah, just switch upon that, because even when you go to your bots, you can always switch it here as well. So you always have your different bots here as well. So like Cheapy's kind of like the one that I was mentioning before. We got storage saver, tester. You can have whatever you want, right? So in reality, but like I said, you should definitely be changing based on context, based on, what you're using it for. Definitely change and create new profiles. So, I have tester, storage saver, researcher. So my researcher isn't, modifying files on my computer, but my installer or my storage saver is, right? So storage saver, you can see here, ensure storage transfer properly and neatly without any issues. You can work alongside other agents. Every agent, including you, has one conversation titled bot chat, right? And then we have here, like I said, I believe this is more from Hermes just putting this in. Yeah, definitely. And then we got packaging first, so great video. Yeah, so this is all of this is just all of this is also just from my other skills that obviously translate across different agents. But like I said, and if you do just want to write one liner SOUL.md, that's not too bad, because with Hermes Agent, it'll just create skills and just go from there. So it'll actually use a lot of it for you, or like make stuff for you. But in reality, that's the best way to write a SOUL.md. You can also use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use Fail 5 to create a proper SOUL.md, but I think this is the cheapest, easiest way. It's just using Google Gemini. It's super helpful, and I just find, like, you saw how fast it is, boom, and you don't need a SOUL.md to be a whole entire paragraph. Like, sure you can, but in reality, like, come on, like, you don't have to over-engineer too much, right? So, as always, guys, it's been the one only Stromatic. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and yeah, look forward to the next video. Peace.